Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Cash Mojo. Today we're going to go over 10 ways you can make money on YouTube in 2022. Stick around to number 1 because this secret to making a lot of money on YouTube will blow your mind. Be sure not to skip because every part in this video plays an important role in making money on YouTube. Hit that like and subscribe for more of these videos and let's dive in. Making money on YouTube is a skill that can be learned by anyone. In this video, we will discuss 10 ways that you can start making money on YouTube in 2022. We will also go over how to create engaging content, how to monetize your videos, and how to build an audience of loyal fans. If you're interested in learning how to make money on YouTube, then this video is for you. Number 10, selling merch. As any YouTuber knows, attracting viewers is only half the battle. The other half is finding ways to monetize your channel. One popular option is to sell merchandise. This can be a great way to engage with your fans and generate some extra income. However, it's important to remember that selling merchandise is not as simple as slapping a logo on a t-shirt. There are a few things you need to keep in mind if you want to be successful. First, your merchandise should be high quality and reasonably priced. Second, it should be unique and offer value that goes beyond simply being a branded item. And finally, you need to make sure that your merch is well promoted and easy for viewers to purchase. If you can check all of these boxes, selling merchandise can be a great way to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Number 9, generating sponsored content. Creating sponsored content on YouTube is a great way to promote your brand and reach a wider audience. With the enormous popularity of online video, companies are constantly looking for new ways to connect with consumers and share information about their products or services. A successful sponsored video can help drive traffic to your website, increase engagement with your followers, or position you as an industry expert in front of potential customers or partners. Whether you're creating a short promotional clip for your own channel or collaborating with creators to create unique content for the web, some best practices can help you successfully engage viewers and spread your message. For starters, make sure that your content is high quality and appealing. Crisp visuals and compelling storytelling are key to capture attention on YouTube. You should also schedule your videos at times where they will most likely be seen by viewers. This varies depending on the type of content, but strategic placement in suggested playlists or during popular viewing times like prime time can greatly boost engagement. Beyond creating quality videos and sharing them at the right time, it's also important to optimize them so they will appear higher in search rankings and notifications lists. This includes using relevant keywords in titles and descriptions, tagging related topics, setting up playlists, and paying attention to analytics. Number 8, YouTube short funds. YouTube shorts are a great way to fund innovative new projects and independent filmmakers. By uploading original high quality videos to the platform, anyone with an idea can raise money and gain exposure for their work. Now, YouTube Short Fund is an innovative new program from YouTube that supports budding filmmakers around the world. This program encourages creators to tell unique and engaging stories, offers grant funding and promotion to encourage them to pursue their artistic vision. Whether you're looking for a way to get your feet wet in the film industry or are an established filmmaker looking for a way to expand your reach, YouTube Short Funds can help. With its expert panel of judges and commitment to supporting diversity, this program is truly one of a kind. What's more, the YouTube community members that support these projects get to be part of something new and exciting. Whether it's a short documentary about the refugee crisis or a science fiction film set in space, YouTube Shorts makes it possible for artists from all backgrounds to share their talents with the world. So if you've got some great ideas for a film or a video, don't wait. Head on over to the YouTube Shorts Fund website today and start making your dreams a reality. Number 7, YouTube drop servicing. YouTube has become one of the most popular online platforms in recent years, with billions of users watching videos on a variety of topics. While many people use YouTube to watch music videos or funny clips, there is also a growing number of people who are using the platform to learn new skills. This is where YouTube drop servicing comes in. Drop servicing is a type of online business where you provide a service to clients by outsourcing the work to someone else. For example, if you wanted to start a drop servicing business, focus on YouTube. You would find freelancers who are willing to create videos for your clients. You would then charge your clients a fee for your service and pay the freelancers who created the videos a portion of that fee. One of the benefits of starting a drop servicing business is that it can be relatively low cost to get started. You don't need to invest any inventory or physical products, and you can get started with just a few hours of work each week. Additionally, drop servicing businesses can be scaled up quickly and easily as your client base grows. Number 6, YouTube crowdfunding. YouTube is one of the largest platforms for hosting and sharing videos online. As a result, it has become an excellent resource for creators who can use its massive community to monetize their content. Through the concept of crowdfunding, content creators can elicit donations from members of the YouTube community to help support their work. This not only enables creators to get funding without having to go through conventional channels, but also allows them to connect more directly with their viewers and build on more loyal following. Thus, whether you are a vlogger monetizing your channel or an artist looking to promote your latest project, YouTube has all the tools you need to make your dream a reality. So why not start crowdfunding today? It's easy and it's fast, and it could be just what you need to take your content creation skills to the next level. Number 5, license your content. Are you a content creator who is looking to make money from your videos on YouTube? If so, the first step is to secure a license for any content that you upload to the platform. This means that you will need to identify and carefully track all of the assets in your videos, including audio tracks, visual assets, and other elements. Once you have determined what is protected by copyright and what is not, you can start submitting licensing requests to rights holders. With enough diligence, it is possible for content creators to earn a significant amount of revenue from their work on YouTube. As more and more people go online for both entertainment and education, there will always be a strong demand for quality video content, and with the right approach and strategy, anyone can become successful at making money on YouTube. So if you're serious about making it big in this space, don't delay. Start securing your licenses today. Number 4, sell your YouTube channel. If you're like most people, you probably use YouTube to watch videos of your favorite bands, catch up on the latest news, or learn how to do something new. But did you know that you can also make money by selling your YouTube channel? With a few simple steps, you can start earning income from your channel, and you don't even need a large number of subscribers to get started. First, take a look at your content and make sure it is high quality and unique. You want to make sure that your channel stands out from the rest and that people will enjoy watching your videos. You can also consider partnering with other YouTubers or businesses to help promote your channel. Once you have a solid plan for your content, you can begin reaching out to potential advertisers. Many companies are willing to pay good money to have their products featured on popular YouTube channels. Finally, don't forget to engage with your audience and build up a strong community around your channel. The more people who enjoy watching your videos and interacting with you, the more likely they are to become paying subscribers. With a little effort, you can start making money from your YouTube channel in no time at all. Number 3, offer script writing services. Working for YouTubers as a script writer might be a great opportunity for aspiring writers and storytellers. As a script writer, you would be responsible for writing the dialogue and storylines that go into each video. This could involve brainstorming potential topics, developing characters and storylines, and putting together the final script. Additionally, you might also be responsible for working with other writers or revising existing scripts as needed. The skills required to succeed as a YouTuber scriptwriter are diverse and dynamic. In order to come up with interesting ideas, you will need to have an excellent imagination and a gift for storytelling. Additionally, because video production can be a time-consuming process, you will need to have strong organizational skills in order to keep track of deadlines and priorities. Finally, good communication skills are essential in order to work well with other writers or members of the production team. If you enjoy writing stories and telling compelling tales, then working for YouTubers could be a perfect opportunity for you. Whether you are just starting out or are looking for a new challenge after some experience in the field, this could be an ideal job for anyone who wants to pursue a career as a writer or content creator. Number 2, YouTube Partner Program. Becoming a member of the YouTube Partner Program is a great way to grow your presence on the popular video sharing platform. To get started, you will need to create high quality videos that are engaging, interesting, and relevant to your target audience. You should also incorporate strong keywords and tags into each video description and titles so that it's easier for users to find your content. Once you've built up a solid library of videos with sizable numbers of views, you can submit an application to join the partner program. If you're accepted, you'll be able to monetize your videos by adding ads or sponsored contents from brands that are relevant to your niche. With hard work and determination, joining the YouTube Partner Program can help you to build a successful online following and develop new opportunities for revenue generation. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to like and subscribe. And after the video, leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Starting an affiliate marketing business on YouTube can be a great and one of the most effective ways to make money online. online. This type of business is built around promoting products or services from other businesses, and there are many opportunities for affiliates on YouTube. For example, you can create video tutorials focused on topics related to your affiliate products or services such as cooking tips or kitchen appliance or health advice for skincare products. By sharing your videos with your audience and driving them to your affiliate links, you can begin to earn commissions on the sales they generate. In addition, YouTube offers a number of advertising options that can help you get even more exposure for your affiliate products and grow your business over time. With the right approach and commitment, it's definitely possible to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. So as promised, we will now give you 3 tips you can use to get started now. Tip number 1, create engaging content. There is no secret to creating engaging content on YouTube. Essentially, what you need to do is stay focused on what your viewers want and are looking for, while also approaching your content in an entertaining and exciting way. When it comes to creating engaging content, it can be helpful to think like a viewer. What topics would you be most interested in watching videos about? What kind of content would keep you engaged and coming back for more? By focusing on these key aspects, you can create engaging YouTube content that will captivate your audience and help build up loyal following over time. So don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and formats. Just make sure you focus on creating quality content that will truly resonate with your viewers. In the end, that is what will help set your channel apart from the rest. Tip number 2, monetize videos effectively. The first step to monetizing your videos on YouTube is to identify your target audience. Effective monetization depends on creating content that will appeal to viewers and encourage them to interact with your channel. Once you clearly understand who your target audience is and what type of content they like to watch, you can begin developing strategies for increasing viewers and engaging with viewers. One key tactic for driving viewership and engagement is using tags effectively in your video descriptions. Tags are keywords that help YouTube determine which video should be suggested as related searches or displayed in a sidebar when a user views a video similar to yours. When selecting which tags to use, it's important to take your target audience into account. The more relevant your keywords are, the better they will perform in terms of driving viewers and click on those suggested results. Along with optimizing tags, it's important to consider other factors that might increase interest in your videos, such as including engaging thumbnails or titles and posting within relevant communities on social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. With time, practice, and dedication, you can master the art of monetizing videos on YouTube and start generating revenue from all the hard work you put into making great content. Tip number 3, build an audience of loyal fans. To build a successful and loyal following on YouTube, it is important to be authentic and consistent. You should start by selecting a niche that you are truly passionate about. Then, you should deliver content that is high quality and engaging, making sure to pepper your videos with relatable humor and fascinating facts. Additionally, it is important to be responsive to criticism and comments, always taking the time to engage with your audience in a meaningful way. By being genuine and consistent in your approach, you can quickly grow a loyal fan base on YouTube who will eagerly tune in for every new video that you post. With some hard work and creativity, building loyal fans on YouTube can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.